Health check is constant analysis. So anytime you make a change to your calculation settings or to a value that could invalidate a frequency, health check automatically runs in the background. So for instance, right now, all of our frequencies are above this exclusion threshold or this scan data, the max amplitude of each frequency data point. If I want to come in over here and change this to minus 90, you can see now there's a couple spots where the frequencies fall below the scan data line. And health check has automatically ran, and if I were to hover over a frequency, it tells me exactly why the frequency is no longer compatible and marked as incompatible. That is because of exclusion threshold. If I were to open up health check, it'll tell me exactly why, and it'll tell me how off it is. If I were to raise this scan data point back up, you can see immediately that health check auto reevaluates all of the frequencies and verifies them as good. This is exceptionally helpful when moving frequencies between zones, changing interaction settings, importing and exporting data. Health check is always running in the background, never being in the way, but always there if you choose to use it.